Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials and taking immediate action. Check power lights and replace any frayed Ethernet cable. Why? Because a bad cable ruins diagnostics. Next, capture current IP, subnet, gateway, DNS, and MACs so you can restore settings later. Then plug a laptop directly into the switch or router and open a terminal. This reduces variables. Once done, log in with admin credentials and disable Wi-Fi to force wired tests. This isolates the wired path and speeds troubleshooting. You now isolate the fault and collect evidence. Start with ping and traceroute to the gateway and a public DNS like 8. Watch for timeouts and varying latency. Those indicate congestion or drops. Then check the switch port's negotiated speed and duplex. Mismatches break traffic, so test a known good port and cable. Inspect the ARP table and DHCP leases. If DHCP fails, assign a static IP temporarily. Once done, log interface counters and packet error stats for deeper analysis or vendor support. You finish by repairing and confirming connectivity. Replace any failing NICs, SFPs, or modules, then reboot devices in an orderly sequence. Core first, then aggregation, then access to avoid flapping. Reapply correct configs, static routes, DNS, and access lists. Make sure MTU and duplex match. After restoration, run pings and a full traceroute to confirm path integrity. If problems persist, roll back to the last working configuration and use the console port for emergency access. This one tip often saves recovery time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.